open your eyes. Imagine a world where having a car of your choice isn't expensive, where you don't have to pay hefty down payments or worry about the loss of your car's value. Imagine a world where driving helps you save tax and you can upgrade your car. Imagine not having to worry about repairs, maintenance, or even insurance. Imagine a world where you can drive a car without any of the hassles of owning one. Let's look at two scenarios. Scenario 1. When you don't lease. If your income is 1,50,000, after subtracting the EMI and tax, you have roughly 90,000 left. Scenario 2. When you lease. If your income is 1,50,000, you pay tax on the amount left after subtracting lease rental. You can also claim fuel and driver expenses from salary, helping you save more, leaving you with roughly 1,14,000. Now open your eyes to the benefits of leasing. Lease with ALD.